G'day guys, welcome to our first product review at MVP Golf Improvement Centre. It's the first one we've done, so if there's any mistakes, I do apologise, but we'll get ahead with it. I'm going to compare M1 driver, Taylormade M1 driver versus the Taylormade M2 driver. We do get asked a lot of questions in the pro shop about what's different with M1 versus M2. We have a look at M1, you can quite clearly see there's a lot of weights on the club. So they have, this is probably the most, you can change this golf club probably more than any other to suit someone's ball flight. So you've got the weight bias here at the bottom, so put more weight in the heel. It's meant to help the ball draw and fade, so you get directional bias there. And then you've got front and back weighted, so move the weight back, you can hit the ball a little bit higher, move it further forward. It's meant to help with less spin. And you've also got the different loft settings. So you've got the three different biases there, which is the only driver pretty much of its kind to do all that. In saying that, what we've probably learned over the last 6 months is to be able to make this driver go and be really effective, you do need a fair bit of club head speed, hence why we probably haven't sold a lot of them. But for someone who swings it probably over 110 miles per hour, I reckon, you could probably get a bit out of this, but it's definitely not as forgiving as the M2. So the M2 driver, which we have sold a little bit more of, probably because it suits more of the wider range of the market. So you can see that it hasn't got the weights on it. So the M1 is basically a front weighted driver, most of the weight's at the front, so it's meant to help with less spin and more ball speed. This one here, you can see it's a back weighted driver, so it's more forgiving, enables the player to get the ball in the air a lot easier, and it's got this speed pocket to also help with the ball speed. But this driver here, we definitely have sold more of, more forgiving, but we do recommend when buying a driver, come into MVP, you get it all tested from spin rates to club head speed to ball speed to launch angles, and then we can help you advance your game and hit the ball further and straighter.